Hello everyone, so today I have my Fab Fit Fun box, which I'm super excited to open. I got this, I think, on Monday, and now it's Friday. I had family in town and then Thanksgiving, so I haven't been able to crack on into this yet, and I really want to. So my husband graciously took my kids out of the house for a little while so that I had some time to open this up for you guys. So I'm super excited to do that. This past week has just been so crazy with the holidays, and then I've been Black Friday shopping like crazy. So it's the first time in like all week that I've had to just sit down and film something. So I'm feeling pretty good. So I'll just make this short and sweet. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your guys' notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in the Fab Fit Fun box, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you guys don't know what Fab Fit Fun is, it's a seasonal subscription box. You get fall, winter, summer, spring, that kind of deal. So 4 times a month and it's $50. I can always find discount codes for your first month, so go ahead and link those down below. Fab Fit Fun gives you beauty and wellness and fashion and all that fun stuff on in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack on in. So it says Fab Fit Fun, find your cozy. So this is the winter box. It's so cute and just like wintry and Christmas, and I like it. So they always send you a little like magazine. It has all the information of the products inside, how to use them, just like a fun little touch. So it looks like on top you have a couple gift card things. It says this is for HelloFresh and it's a $60 gift card. That's pretty cool. I might have to use that because I've been wanting to try HelloFresh, but it is a little bit on the pricey side, but $60 off. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's cool. So this is a $15 off your FabFitFun box. If somebody wants it, let me know in the comments down below, and whoever says they want it first, I'll give this $15 off for your first FabFitFun box. All right, and here is our box. I'm seeing a couple things I'm pretty excited about. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab out the first thing. I don't know where to put this ginormous box. So this is the first thing. This is I'm not sure, but it's really soft. It's from the brand Mark and Graham. It says personalized gifts on it. Oh, it's a throw. So it's a blanket, and it retails for $49. So this is actually super soft. This would be perfect for like a reading chair. Just to throw on there and then cozy up when you're reading. So I'm actually really excited for this. My husband and I are trying to finish part of our bedroom and put in a bookshelf and a reading chair in a little corner of our room over there. And I actually think that this would be perfect for that. This is super soft. You got the little frayed ends. So I'm actually really happy about this. Besides the like new blanket smell, I hate that smell. My husband bought a blanket for Black Friday last night and it has that, and it drives me crazy, but I'm actually super excited for this. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Alleviate 2 essential oils. This is eucalyptus and sweet orange. So there's just 2 essential oils in here. I may have to go on to, I don't know if it was like Walmart or Target or even Amazon. They had some essential oil diffusers on sale. So actually I was thinking about getting them. So I may have to go and get one because now I got some essential oils to use with it. I don't know necessarily what those ones do specifically. The oils can be applied directly onto the skin. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms. That's cool. And sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. Ooh, 2 things that happens a lot in our house: colds and headaches. So that's actually really cool. So they retail for $31. I'm assuming that comes in the set. So I'm actually super excited for that. I'm going to have to maybe get on there and order a diffuser because that's pretty fun. Okay, the next thing I'm going to grab out of here, this is the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. This thing looks ginormous. And this is what it looks like. I've had a hairspray from Oribe and I actually really liked it, assuming that I'm saying that right. I don't know. And this thing right here retails for $44. It's a lot of money for dry shampoo, but I want to see if it smells good. Yeah, it smells nice. It smells like the hairspray that I got from them. So it's not like I don't know, just like a hairspray kind of smell. If that makes, I mean, it's not like super hairspray, but I actually really like this brand from the stuff that I've tried from them. So I'm actually really excited to use this. Okay, the next thing I got, this is the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask. This is for intense care for dry and damaged hair, which I have both of like crazy. My hair is super dry, it's super damaged, so this is perfect. It basically says it conditions, nourishes, and locks in moisture, fortifies and strengthens strands, protects hair against breakage, dryness, and damage. Cool, so you actually only have to leave it on for 5 minutes as well. So that can be something quick that you're doing in the shower and put this on, clean up your body, and then rinse it out. So I'm actually really excited to try this because I've been really into trying to get the moisture back into my hair. Ooh, that smells really good too. It's like a really thick conditioner, basically. So I'm excited for this, and it retails for $49. Wow. See, this is the thing I like about FabFitFun, that they send you all these things that cost a lot of money that I typically wouldn't go out and purchase myself. So this is $44, this is $49. I would never purchase that on my own. So this basically right here covers the whole price of the box. Just saying. All right, the next thing, this is a Bite Beauty. It's one of their lipsticks in Meringue, and I actually think I already have this color. And if I do, then I'll throw this in a giveaway for you guys. I love, love, love this color. It's just a really pretty nude, and I'm pretty sure that I have this one. So let me find mine really quick, and I can do a swatch for you. Okay, so yeah, mine is right here. You can tell because it's all dirty. But this color is so gorgeous. It's like your perfect pinky nude. At least I think so. So I really like this. In fact, I think I got it a couple years ago when Jaclyn Hill was raving about it. So I really like this color. I'm gonna go ahead and take the one that I got and throw this in my little box of giveaways. And the retail value on the Bite Beauty lipstick is $26. Okay, the next thing, this is the BLAQ, BLAQ, I don't know, eye mask. Okay, so yeah, so they're just little eye masks that look like that. It comes with 5 of them, so that's pretty cool. And it says, if I can find it, so it says that it helps detox and depuff with the activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. To me, there's like, I don't know, there's so many eye masks out there, but I just feel like they all kind of do the same thing. So I just don't do a whole lot of eye masks. I have one that I use pretty regularly, but I don't like branch out a whole lot. So I think I might throw this one in the giveaway as well. And then these ones retail for $29. Okay, the next thing I got, this is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener. It's a highlighting stick. If you've never tried Thrive Cosmetics, I hadn't recently until I actually purchased their CC cream the other day. Kathleen Lights raves about this, and I actually do really, really like it. And I feel like the color of it matches me pretty well too, so I love that. Oh, so it's used on your eyes. It says it's an eye brightener, instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. So I'm assuming it's like a eyeshadow crayon kind of thing. I don't know how well you guys can tell. It's right here on my hand. It's like hard to see on camera, but it actually really does look really pretty as like a highlight. I bet you could put this on your cheeks and have it look really pretty, or if you're just wanting like a little pop on your eyes, I think this would work really, really nicely. So I'm really excited for this. And the retail value on this is $24. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Ahava, I'm guessing is how you say it, Hydration Cream Mask. Ooh, that's nice. It's enriched with minerals, spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. It's rich, creamy. It's a mask that softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. And it retails for $33. You can use it as a 3-minute hydration boost or an overnight sleep mask. So that's pretty awesome. My skin is so dry, so I'm actually really excited to try this because I could use all the help that I could get when it comes to hydration for my skin. I get really bad just like flakes, especially around my nose. I feel like my skin is always like peeling. All right, what else do we got in here? I think this may be the last thing. This is the, oh, it's the Jade roller. This thing is, I'm pretty sure like really expensive. It's $45, so it's not like crazy expensive, but still $45 is again something that I wouldn't spend on this. So it's pretty cool to get it in here. So let me show you guys what it looks like. It looks like that. I've always been like curious about it. That's nice. So it says use daily for 2 minutes after moisturizing. Gently roll in an upward direction around the face, neck, and under the eyes for a special treat. Pop in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. So basically what it's supposed to do, it's like an anti-aging tool that's been used by empresses for centuries. The Jade roller helps stimulate energy and promotes a feeling of facial relaxation. Well, there you go. See, I feel like this is one of those things that I wouldn't typically buy or anything like that. It's like one of those things like, does it really work? You know what I mean? Or is it just like a gimmicky product? But hey, I basically got it for free, so there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go through and add up the total value of my box. So it says the total value was $281, which is pretty amazing considering, again, I only paid $49.99 for this. I'm actually really impressed with this month's box too. I feel like I'll use everything. The only two things I'm not gonna use is the lipstick and the masks, but everything else, I honestly feel like I'm gonna get use out of. I really like the blanket. I will definitely use the dry shampoo and the hydrating mask and the hydrating hair mask. I know I'll get a lot of use out of. The essential oils I think are really cool, and I'm excited to see if I can still snag one of those diffusers and use that, or just learn how to use essential oils without the diffuser. And then the highlighting stick from Thrive. I'm just really excited for it all, you guys. So let me know what you guys think of the box in the comments down below. What did you guys get? If you guys get FabFitFun, did you get anything different than me? I hope that you guys had a really great Thanksgiving. So that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.